Hi, my name is Zach, and today I'm going to explain how to get a color background in Final Cut Pro. First off, I'm going to start by putting it behind some text. So I've already made my text file here. It's very important for you to have this on the V2 layer. Next, you're going to go into the text menu. And you're going to select matte and then color. Next, I'm going to go into the controls panel. And I'm going to select the little gray square. Here you have multiple color options. I'm just going to go with eggplant. Once you've selected your color that you'd like to use, go into the video layer, and then you'll see your color there. Now click and drag this down to the V1 layer, and now I have a purple background behind my text. My name is Zach, and I just explained how to put a background in Final Cut Pro.